after me I fling off of this breadfruit so long and it finally come out. Watch out, me not eat this blood clot, yeah. Me don't look up on them white sitting there out there, so. No, sir. See, man, I man the lick off it. Yeah, yeah, me saying to lick off it, popcorn, I say, why for that? Yeah, man.
All I'm gonna say about that breadfruit is it's a part of the rainbow family. That's it.
Right, give me the cool volume on that. Volume. Yo, DJ. Yo. Yo. Some girl forget anything. Anything she want. Yeah. Good pussy girl forget anything. Stop. Anything. Tell every girl a draw near. Girl a cock it up and put your foot in the air. Girl you know so you will lead everybody happy cheer. Shoot it in gear. Girl you caught a commotion. Make your body sweat like you just use lotion. Wine for the G and give me slow motion. Make your body like it there in the ocean. Make me know the program. So make me know the prey. Make me know the strips. If you want shrimp then I love that you forget. Girl your body good, me not forget. And me not forget a bomba claw. Why not for me, look up and give me back shot. Girl a pussy fat, you have a pussy fat chop. Anytime that me knock you me if you come back, rush back and make the pussy run tap. Boom bang cocky like saying mad. Anytime me take it up, she tell her shoot it in. Me not the hook with the pussy, you the hook again.
They say me stepping at the party and they get them looking at it. She know what not icky. So me give her willy. Yeah, me bend it over, me give her diggy. Get me squeeze up the body and me squeeze up the titty. Every I got that.
Hold them Irish Saxton. I'll serve you down calling me. Tuna bad still. Yeah man. Y'all forget things.
What you say you don't do? What you say about Pitney?
Me say me. Bossy and loving and Pitney them. But no me this now.
Of course, you look you're pretty and nice and brown.
I seen you come and you take this.
But just I take you a while ago. A video. Video. Yeah, me tell you that technology get advanced and like back in a few days.
Wait.
You see how you look for yourself like a one mirror you looking at?
Wait, I seen you come and you take this. Your boss, you alright. Wait, look at wait. Jesus, Father, gosh, your boss, you alright. My gosh, look how she come and come rent me up, man. And make me feel like me a young girl. Dress like dress puss.
You can tell sir grandma was a hot, beautiful, top of the line woman back in our days now. Cause look at grandma. Grandma's still pretty nice face. And slick with the words. Damn. Whoever met the look bag are very creative. If I look a girl, make she make some more, market her product and sell it. Come, Mr. Prime Minister.
Anybody ever see a mango like this?
Long mango.
Long mango, watch it. Straight out of Cuba. Basta whole Cuba.
Dash with that, brother. Dash with that. Dash with that, the mango there. Ancestors, them spirit in that. Dash with that.
He just asked him girlfriend for a call.
How you doing, brother? Brother, I just phone me up, dog. Me don't know what I'm doing, brother. And what is? It's a mad one. Hey, a mad one this. Brother, she crazy, dog. You not see a business phone. You not see a business phone. You not see a business phone. So we are on the man trying to see a business phone. You have something behind. You have something behind. She goes.
Listen me now. If your girl is doing this, she's not just your girl. She's our girl. So if you're not willing to share, leave her alone.
Where are the so far? Hey.
What you say?
Say you fuck it.
This auntie have a nasty mouth. Every time I see this lady, she a cuss. She never stop. Who is she?